In this video you'll see a new solution for the problem of bots being able to see and target enemies from other map sections. As you know, bots don't have eyes and cannot see like humans. They depend on game engine tools. But these tools are created so that certain game objects are invisible to them, and so to bots too. If the map is designed strange and uses these objects in a wrong way, then this leads to annoying moments when you get shot by a bot from the other end of the map. Map titled Dod Charlie is a good example of this. Let's see that. We'll use Marine Bot Development command to display the trace lines. Traceline is game engine tool the bot uses to see things in the game. Specifically here to track enemies. As you can see, the bot keeps tracking all players from the opposite team to find the right moment when there isn't any solid object blocking the view onto this enemy so that he can start shooting. As said before, if there is only an illusory object or the skybox in the way between the bot and his enemy, then the bot will shoot, because these objects are ignored by the trace lane. Of course, the bullet will pass through too, because it uses the same engine tool to trace its line. Therefore, Marine bots since version 0.97.3 will utilize another tool the engine provides to limit this incorrect behavior to a minimum. The bot will now check whether the enemy is in potentially visible area first. If the engine returns that the enemy is in the area that could be visible from bot's position, then the bot will start tracking this enemy to truly find this player. This means you should no longer be shot from the other end of the map. At least not always. We'll see further in this video that even this new tweak won't fix all issues with illusory objects in the game. However, most of the times the bots won't cheat like that on these strangely created maps. Here is an example of place where this new targeting tweak fails. All the bushes on this map are created as function illusionary objects. Objects that are invisible for the engine tools. So if the bot and his enemy are in the same area, in places that the engine identifies as potentially visible, then the bot will still cheat and target enemy that human player won't see normally. Currently, there is no way to fix this. Various attempts to change these illusory objects to function wall entities failed. Hopefully, future development will find a solution. But for now, this remains an issue.